Hello friends, vacancy hai, construction manager, 8,000 Saudi Riyals, procurement engineer 6,000 Saudi Riyals, planning engineer, 6,000 Saudi Riyals, civil estimation engineer 6,000 Saudi Riyals, mechanical estimation engineer, 6,000 Saudi Riyals, boom truck operator, construction company, recruitment to Saudi Arabia. Walk-in interview on the 28th of June 2024 at Chennai, Transcend Institute in Padi, Chennai. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Email hr3smartconsultancy@gmail.com. Contacts 8,807,455,676 8807716916. Check the poster image link given above for more details. Desired candidate profile. Be civil with minimum 5 to 8 years experience. Benefits provided by company. Accommodation plus medical plus transportation provided by company. Hello friends, vacancy hai, safety officer NEBOSH must. 2,600 Saudi Riyals. Millwright technician 2,500 Saudi Riyals. Instrument technician 2,800 Saudi Riyals. Copper tube fitter 1,700 Saudi Riyals. Mechanical fitter 1,200 Saudi Riyals. Fabricator 1,800 Saudi Riyals. Welder CS and SS, TIG 2,500 Saudi Riyals. Fire watch, standby 1,400 Saudi Riyals. Site coordinator 1,800 Saudi Riyals. Industrial electrical technician 2,700 Saudi Riyals. Job descriptions. Petrochemical plant maintenance, recruitment to Saudi Arabia. Walk-in interview on the 1st of July 2024 at Chennai. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Email bpi.hr17@gmail.com. Contacts 7,305,729,992 7305291235. Check the poster image link given above for more details. Desired candidate profile. Minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in petrochemical plant maintenance. Benefits provided by company, as per Saudi labor law. Hello friends, vacancy hai, electrician motor vehicle and building. 35,000 Indian rupees. Plant operator, excavator on tires and tracks. 35,000 Indian rupees. Plant operator Bobcat 35,000 Indian rupees. Mechanic 35,000 Indian rupees. Driver, heavy vehicle 35,000 Indian rupees. Road paver and roller operator for asphalt work 35,000 Indian rupees. Site foreman, leading hand 50,000 Indian rupees. Civil foreman 40,000 Indian rupees. Site engineer 60,000 Indian rupees. Cost estimator 60,000 Indian rupees. Planning engineer 60,000 Indian rupees. Land surveyor 60,000 Indian rupees. Job descriptions. Urgent job vacancies in Mauritius, construction company. CV shortlisting in progress at Chennai. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Email asatiasums@gmail.com. Contacts 9,514,447,077 7305970771. Check the poster image link given above for more details. Desired candidate profile. Candidates must have minimum 5 years experience in construction field. Candidates must have valid Indian license. Age limit 22 to 45 years. Benefits provided by company. 10 hours duty plus food allowance plus accommodation plus transportation provided by company. Hello friends, vacancy hai, CNC machine operator, lathe and milling. 10,552 NIS. Assembler of electrical and electronic equipment, electrician, knowledge in hydraulic pneumatic machines. 10,552 NIS. A machine operator with a background in robotics. 10,552 NIS. A machine operator with a background in operating automated warehouses. 10,552 NIS. Glass machine operator 10,552 NIS. Aluminum machine operator 10,552 NIS. General worker in the preparation and door and gates department, Express. Rolling machines, 7,427 NIS. MIG welder, County 2 welder plus argon, 7,427 NIS. Glass line general worker 7,427 NIS. Finish line general worker, air spray painter, Express. Electrostatic painting 7,427 NIS. Finishing carpenters 7,427 NIS. Aluminum line general worker 7,427 NIS. Should have experience in their relevant field. Age limit 45 years.